Hi, I'm Lumen Foxx, and I'm a fine art nude model. I have been modeling for 2 years in August. I'm a professional contemporary modern dancer, and I have a lot of ballet trainings, point shoes and all that, so I think it really helps with my posing and awareness of how I can feel my body, because I've been trained to feel the space around me as a dancer. So yeah, I think it just really helps with my modeling and my posing and be able to switch swiftly from thing to thing and to hold it with good energy. I love the fact that this event is being ran by a model. I believe it adds a whole different perspective of how models want things done. They take care of you from the moment you get here. Alice is in a car driving around, checking on everybody the whole time. There was a moment that I was just standing off to the side, just waiting for my photographer, and she showed up and just checked on me. She was like, "You need water? Are you okay? You're standing here alone." And I think that awareness, making sure that the models are taken care of and the photographers are taken care of, supplying food, water, it's amazing. I think the TLC is top notch for sure. So I absolutely love the organization of everything. Being able to walk in, having that big schedule right there, already filled out with my pre-bookings, and then being able to see everybody in the tent, meet people. I love the layout, getting those last-minute bookings because we're all in one spot for the most part when we're not shooting. I really just loved walking in and everything's like ready to go, and you just are on your merry way. I think it's really cool that it's called the She Shed. I called it the She House the other day. But it's cool. I really love that there's like a special place for the models to go and get away, get out of the heat. If you want to check out my work and keep following me, check out the link down below.